Hi guys, good morning. Hope your day is a wonderful day. Today is Monday. Okay guys, so I want to discuss to you another type of sexually transmitted infection, which is syphilis. Okay, so syphilis is a sexually transmitted bacterial infection that can be cured with antibiotics, usually penicillin. It progresses in stages starting with a painless sore in the primary stage and followed by a rash and flu-like symptoms in the secondary stage, and potentially leading to severe health problems if left untreated. Syphilis can also be passed from mother to her baby during pregnancy, which can cause serious complications or death to the child. So, ang syphilis kano is one kind of bacterial sexually transmitted disease. It can be cured by antibiotics. So, matambalan na siya sa mga antibiotics. Usually, penicillin ang iyahang uh, tawag ani kaning drug of choice. Okay? So, it progresses to starting with the painless sore. Siya o kanang samad ba? Dayon, kuan na siya sa progressive stage niya. Sa second stage nila is naana kay mga symptoms nga patiun ana more of flu-like symptoms kay hilanat, sakit sa lawas, inana. So how it spreads? So sexually contact, direct contact with syphilis sore during vaginal, anal, or oral sex. So mo na siyang yung mode of entry. Mother to baby, a pregnant woman with syphilis can be transmitted the infection to her fetus through the placenta. Okay? So, sa inunlan, through the inunlan daw kuno mo transfer ang syphilis infection through the baby. Okay? Blood transfusion. So, if the person who donated the blood is infected with syphilis, the recipient will receive also the same infection. Okay? Then symptoms by stage. Primary syphilis is a single painless sore called a cancer appears on the genitals, anus, or mouth. So naa siya mura ka ng sores, pula-pula siya, mura siya o kanang kalipaso. Then secondary syphilis is an itchy rash often on the palms of the hands and sole of the feet, along with flu-like symptoms like fever, headache, tiredness, and swollen glands. Okay? So, nagkuan na ka na kay mga lusay-lusay, mga dinhi sa imong ilok lusay. Okay? The latent syphilis is a period with no symptoms where the infection is hidden. So, asymptomatic ni siya, ang latent phase. So, tertiary syphilis and treated syphilis can cause serious health problems affecting internal organs, the heart, the brain, and can lead to blindness, paralysis, and even death. So, delikado na siya ang tertiary stage. Okay? So, it will go to your heart, to your brain, dayon, pwede sad ka mabuta ani, di ka kakita, dayon ma-paralyze, or even mamatay ang tao. Okay? So, ang treatment is antibiotics. Syphilis is treatable with antibiotics, with penicillin being the most common. So, penicillin is the drug of choice for syphilis infection. Early detection is key. So, antibiotics are most effective when the infection is caught in its early stages. So, kung mabantayan ni siya nga early pa, so mas madali siya nga matambalan. Okay? Then, penicillin alternatives for those allergic to penicillin. Other antibiotics like doxycycline can be used. So, naa siya alternative kung ang person is sensitive sa penicillin derivatives. So, prevention, safe sex practices using latex or polyurethane condoms can reduce the risk of transmission. So, safe sex practices, use a condom, or for better is maintain one partner. Don't use multiple partners. Don't do anal sex, oral sex. So, it's safer for you. Abstinence. The most reliable way to avoid infection is to avoid anal, vaginal, or oral sex. So, i-avoid ninyo ni siya. Regular testing, getting tested for syphilis, especially during the pregnancy, is crucial to prevent serious complications. So, kinahanglan, kung kamo gani is using multiple partners, dayon you get pregnant, then you have to be tested for this type of infection so that you will not be transferring this infection to your future baby. Okay? So, hope this health tips help you recognize what is the infections are you having, especially you are having your multiple sex partners, or when you are playing with guys or you are playing with females. Okay? So, katong mga mahilig dyan sa mga tabi-tabi, so be careful. Maybe this time you didn't get, or maybe later you can get. So, behave and use one partner only. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos for the awareness of others so that they will learn something.